Yeah, Jilly, we're on Redwood Road in Castro Valley, right near the BART station, but this victim says he came under fire as he's trying to get to the CHP office behind me.
Just as I'm making that turn to the parking lot for the highway patrol, I heard pop, pop.
A 70-year-old man caught up in a road rage incident in broad daylight in Castro Valley. The victim, who did not want to be identified, tells KTVU shots rang out Monday, not far from a place of safety, the CHP's Castro Valley office.
I knew where to go. I went to the highway patrol's office, so I says, okay, well, follow me over here. I knew where the highway patrol office was.
In fearing for his safety, he drove to our office here on Redwood, the CHP office. It's a known location.
The man was not hit by the gunfire. Neither was his dog, a blue-nosed pit bull, but his Ford Ranger pickup truck was hit by 2 bullets.
With all the shootings, with the little kids getting killed and stuff like that, it's terrible. It's not cool. I'm old-fashioned, and I'd rather duke it out. What the heck? You want to stop, duke it out, no problem. But the shooting, that's cowardly.
It all began at about 12:30 Monday afternoon under the 580 overpass near Foothill and Castro Valley Boulevards in the Cherryland neighborhood near Hayward. The man says he got into a confrontation with the driver of a sedan.
He got upset because evidently I cut him off.
Then, like a cat and mouse game, the two began jockeying with each other as they headed east on Castro Valley Boulevard.
It's one thing to follow a person really close. It's another thing to keep trying to get on the side of me, threatening.
He says he couldn't believe it when someone in the other car opened fire near the CHP office.
I knew it wasn't firecrackers because it was too fast. When I got out the truck, I saw 2 bullet holes.
The shooting is under investigation by the Alameda County Sheriff's Office.
Whether it's someone didn't let you get in front of them, or they're driving too slow, or they're driving too fast, or you're arguing about anything, there's nothing that should escalate to a shooting.
The victim had this message for the shooter.
It cracks me up when people say, turn yourself in, but do it. Okay, I'll be funny. Do it. Turn yourself in. All he had to do was give me the finger and move on.
So the takeaways here: if you get into a dispute on the road, try not to engage with the other driver, try not to honk in anger or yell, and always know where the nearest police, sheriff, or CHP station is. Now, case in point, guys, the CHP Castro Valley office is actually shut down for good in exactly a month from today. It's going to be reabsorbed with the office of the CHP in Hayward. Live in Castro Valley, Henry Lee, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
All right, Henry, thank you.